Look at that.
Well, that was not my fault. That's Daddy's fault.
It literally is a different house already.
It doesn't look good.
Wood is in. Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. I am going back home to North Carolina for a week. Goodbye Miami. It's actually supposed to storm all week, so I am not missing that. Headed to the airport now, gonna call an Uber. I'm excited to go home and see my baby. I miss him so much. Going to be able to see Bambino today. My brother's graduating high school, and I'm so excited to see Bambino. Had to water my plants before I left because I'll be gone for a week, so goodbye new plant. How cute is she? Goodbye Pothos. She'll be hanging here next time you guys see her, hopefully. Watered my fig, so they're all good for the week. Oh, also I need to put water in this guy. I need to water her because lavender will be sprouting from her, so I'm gonna need to do that before I leave. I am finally home, and nothing is better than that post-plane shower. I want to thank Farmer's Dog for sponsoring today's video. If you don't know what it is nutritious dog food. It is the only dog food that I will feed my dog. My mom has been feeding our dogs Farmer's Dog for 2 years now, so when we got Bambino, it was a no-brainer to choose Farmer's Dog. Look at this. That's him telling us he has to go outside. Okay, come on. So when we got Bambino, we really wanted to feed him nutritious food from a young age because I want to keep him around as long as possible. We had Da Vinci for 15 years and Luigi is now 12. Our goal is just to keep our dogs around as long as possible. And other dog food companies are so highly processed that they're just not as good for your dog. My mom actually used to cook her own dog food. So she would literally get chicken, get vegetables, cook all of this stuff, and it would take her so long to prepare the meal. So now Farmer's Dog is just so much more convenient, and honestly, I can tell that they love it a lot more. It comes in packages that deliver straight to your door. The portions are laid out so that there's no confusion. Take a little quiz to make sure that you're getting the right meals for your dog, and it just makes feeding them a lot more enjoyable because you can see how much they love the Farmer's Dog. They tell you how many times to feed him, how much of the package. It's just so much easier, and he just gets so happy when he sees that he's getting fed the Farmer's Dog, and it's personalized with his name, and I love it. Also, another amazing thing is that with the Farmer's Dog, it comes in a clear package, so you can actually see the food, you can smell the food. They really do want the best for your dog, and this is the most organic sponsorship because I'm not kidding. Since Bambino was 8 weeks old, we have been feeding him Farmer's Dog, and he loves it. Are you ready to eat? Are you ready to eat? Come on, you want food?
No quiere comer.
Quiero comer? Come on. You're excited to eat? Are you ready? Yeah, I know you want it. Luigi's excited for it also. When Bambino gets excited, look at his ears. You're excited for food, are you? I can tell because of your ears. They're both like, can I have some? Say, Bambino's eating. Ooh, he's excited. Okay, sit. Good. Oh, no. Sit. Good boy. From chicken, beef, pork, and turkey, what you want to feed them. So what we feed them is chicken, turkey, and beef, and they love it. Mom, do they have a favorite? They love all of them. It comes with this container, which just makes it really easy to store because we just store it in the fridge, and they know whenever we go to the fridge that it's time for them to eat. I want them to live a long, healthy life, and so if it means Farmer's Dog, then that's what I'm gonna feed them. It's so much easier than cooking your own food. You know it's healthy, you know it's nutritious, and honestly, they really love it. You guys can use the link down below, check out Farmer's Dog. You will not regret it. I've gotten so many DMs every time I post on Instagram about them eating. How many of you have tried Farmer's Dog and how much your dogs love it? So definitely be sure to check it out down below. But thank you so much, Farmer's Dog, for sponsoring today's video. Every time Bambino's done eating, Luigi just comes and makes sure the food is gone. He cleaned it up. He licked it all up. That wasn't enough for you. So the first stop that we had to make was to my house. I have not seen it painted, I haven't seen it redone, and it literally is a different house already. It looks so freaking good. For those of you who don't know, I am flipping a house and it's about to go on the market in probably 2 weeks or something like that, which is just crazy. Oh my gosh, I have been wanting to do these updates because I know that you've been asking for them. So you've been asking for the updates and here it is. Literally looks like a completely new house. Oh, look at that. Look at the grass. The grass looks so good. I feel like the grass literally makes the house. I love it. It's amazing at what like a green grass can do. I'm so excited. Oh, the landscaping is just so much nicer. We kept this one tree and I think it looks so good. Here it is. Wow, it looks so good. I haven't seen it with the not the cabinets, but the island. There's gonna be so much storage in this house. The fridge is going here. So much storage, even though there's not like a formal pantry.
Large house, just everything scaled down.
Look how nice this is gonna be. This is gonna be like the wine rack. It's gonna look so nice.
A what? Vacuum.
The floor, the wood is in.
That's a vacuum. This is a vacuum.
Drawers are already
They said if you want a doctor, they can
slow stock drawers. A big sink. Stove right here. Extractor. The wooden beam.
And this.
It's not done being painted, but look at how good that looks. Wow.
5-inch knobs.
Like, oh my gosh, it looks so good.
No, none of them are dark.
And then you walk into the master, and again, that wooden beam, it looks so good. Really high ceilings for the master. Huge, huge, huge windows. Can I walk in here? And then the tile here. And then the shower has this really, really nice stone. That looks so good.
I didn't change anything.
And obviously, yeah, the grout is coming in, so.
That was a light fixture for this room.
Vanity. Yeah, I think it looks so good. Big window.
Decide what you're doing with this.
Putting like shelving here for the towels. Because it would be really awkward if that was just an empty space. The closet, we're actually going to leave the closet empty and then allow them to decide like how they want their closet to be laid out. Doors are gonna be that color. It's gonna look really good. Toilet room. Yeah, it looks so good. I love the color. Yeah, and the black hardware, it looks really good. Go downstairs. I love the wood. The wood looks so good.
The tile's a little bit gray, you know, because this is not the tile that I have the sample of.
That was a mistake.
Yeah.
This is gray and that's creamy.
There's something we can do. I know.
You ordered the wrong tile?
Well, we thought we were ordering the same one, but it was.
When you saw it, Chloe, you should have said no. Stop it. Don't install.
I can do that.
Of course.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Like if you receive it and you see it together, and you say this is not the right time.
It looks fine. Look in the light, it looks fine.
No, it doesn't look fine. It doesn't look good.
It doesn't look bad.
No, it doesn't look good. But there's no, you spend $500 there plus labor probably.
Okay, well the wood floors look really good. Can you tell them that they said...
That looks so good. Wait, that's not the one we decided on. This is our house. That's what we have at our house.
Oh yeah, the railings
I mean, it looks
so
really good,
And
but
what happened?
I don't know.
Maybe Papi told me from before with that.
I mean, it's fine. It looks good.
And yeah, a wooden mantle there. This is such a bright basement. This is honestly brighter than like the first floor. So bright. The floor, I just can't get over how good it looks. These bedrooms are actually gonna have carpet. So this is one bedroom. The closet looks so good with these doors. Like, looks so good.
Hey, what happened here?
That was not my fault.
What
That's
happened
Donnie's
here?
fault.
So this was not supposed to be wood. So we just had some extra wood and they put that in there, but that is not supposed to happen. Laundry room. I feel like tile is more fitting for that. So that was a mistake. This is where the mistakes happen, at the very end. This is the other room. Love it. Closet. It's a pretty deep closet, actually. But yeah, the basement rooms are so bright. That's why I like it, because it doesn't feel like a basement. It doesn't feel like a basement at all, so it's actually so nice. I love it.
I think that
Do you
looks
think
good.
it's bad? You think it's bad or what?
I don't know.
And you have to make sure you have enough.
There's
I think
enough.
it is.
There's definitely enough. I just don't know if I like it. Do you like it?
It's the same tone.
I can
It's the same
probably
tone, right?
return this. I don't know what Calabar's return policy is, but
Let's see. It's better than what there is right
it's
now.
better.
It's better.
Is it great?
I don't think it's bad. I just don't know if I would choose it.
Yeah, I agree.
But it's not bad. It's better than what it is now.
Can we change this floor to another one? I'll go to, what's her name? Teresa. And keep that tile for another bathroom.
So we're gonna return it and we're gonna use it for another
For
project.
another project.
And then get another
We're going to
tile.
select something else for this.
Bambino, what are you doing? You like sitting there? You like sitting there. You wanna go to sleep? Let's go to bed, Bambino. Good boy.
What's that repeat?
Alright. You wanna go pee-pee? I know we just came here. But you wanna go pee-pee?